In this video, I introduce WebArena, a realistic web environment for building autonomous agents. AI agents perform the real-world tasks in authentic and reproducible environment via natural language commands so that human capabilities and efficiency are significantly augmented. WebArena is a web environment for building such AI agents capable of executing tasks through natural language instructions, as shown here. This WebArena environment, this AI agent is a natural language command. WebArena environment comprises four web applications, namely online shopping, discussion forums, collaborative development, and business content management. Utility tools such as map, calculator, and scratchpad are included to support possible human-like task executions. Documentation and knowledge bases are used to implement AI agents. WebArena environment is represented as tuple E with state space S, action space A, observation space O, and transition T. That is defined by the underlying implementation of each website in the environment. A reward function R is defined to measure the success of a task execution, whether A1T is a sequence of actions from start to the end timestamp T, and SA1T is all intermediate states. The reward function R assesses if state transitions align with the expectation of the user intent. The observation space includes the web page URL, the open tabs, and the web page content of the focused tab. The page content can be represented as a screenshot as shown here, the raw web page HTML, and the accessibility tree of the web page. The action space contains the keyboard and the mouse operations available on web pages. All the available actions are categorized into three distinct groups as shown here. One, the element operations such as clicking, hovering, typing, and key combination pressing. Two, the tab-related actions such as opening, closing, and switching between tabs. Three, URL navigation actions such as visiting a specific URL or navigating forward and backward in the browsing history. Using these actions, WebArena provides AI agents with the flexibility to interact with the web environment in different ways. An element in web page can be selected by its on-screen coordinates X, Y, or by unique element ID that is generated when traversing the document objective model or accessibility tree. For example, if in the action click 1582 clicks the button, given the observation of 1582 add to cart. The user intents are classified into three primary categories. One, information seeking requires navigating across multiple web pages to obtain a response. Two, site navigation requires navigating through web pages using a variety of interactive elements, such as search functions and links to find a particular section of a site. 3. Content and configuration operation requires operating in the web environment to create, revise, and configure content or settings. For each user intent, the scoring function R-info of information seeking task is computed by comparing the noted answer A asterisk and the predicted answer A caret. For example, R-info is equal to 1 if A caret is identical to A asterisk, or A caret contains A asterisk, or using a large language model assesses whether A caret semantically equivalent to A asterisk. Evaluation of site navigation and content and configuration tasks uses another reward function, RProgram, that examines the intermediate states S within execution trajectory to ascertain whether the output aligns with the intended result. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.